You don't need a fancy degree or a lot of money to become rich. You just need to understand this one thing about investment. Hello guys, welcome in today's video. We are going to answer one of the biggest questions out there. How does investment actually works? But first, let's start with the basics. What is investment? But in this case, we have to Google it, right? So that you guys can follow up. We have to Google it, and I'll be using ChatGPT, right? So let me ask, what is investing? Right? So okay, here is the answer. He said investing is simply putting your money into something with the expectation that it will grow over time, right? This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even small business. The goal is to make your money work for you so you could build wealth passively. But here is the thing, investing isn't just about getting rich overnight. It's about growing your money steadily and safely. That brings me to number 2, risk and reward, right? Once investment is involved, there is risk and there is reward. It's 50-50. In fact, when you risk it all, you have to have these two things in mind. One, it's either you lose it all or you make it big, right? It's either you lose it all or you make it big when you risk it all. And for me, I will always advise you, invest wisely. Don't put emotions when investing, right? Just remove anything emotions when investing your money and invest wisely. Now, some of you may be asking how to invest, right? So I will break it down to you. There are many ways you can invest. Many ways you can invest your money. I will tell you a few ways you can invest your money. Number 1, stocks. Buy share from like a company like Apple, Tesla, Amazon. In that way, you are investing in the company's growth. Number 2, bonds. You lend your money to a company or government in exchange for an interest payment, right? That's another way to invest your money. Number 3, real estate. Buy properties or invest in real estate funds, right? With time, it will appreciate. But these things are long-term investments, not get rich quick, right? Long-term investment. But to me, the easiest way to get started is buy stocks, right? You can even buy stock of $10, and you must not buy from let me say bigger companies like Apple and everything. Even though you want to buy from there, you can see $100 stock, $50 stock, even to $10, $5 stocks. You can see it, and there are some upcoming companies, right? You can still buy from them. You don't need to, when you have $5,000 or $10,000 before you can start buying stocks. You can buy from little as low as $2, $1. So why should you even invest? See, let me tell you, investment is one of the ways to build wealth. It's one of the ways to build wealth. If you leave your money in the bank, it will just sit there and lose value because of inflation, right? With time, it will just lose value. Even in that bank that you left your money, right? Those banks will still carry that your money and go and invest somewhere. Maybe some invest in forex, depending. Some invest in other companies. Some invest in real estate, right? But if you leave your money in the bank will help you to invest it. So it's better you invest it yourself and make the profit with time. But if you leave it in the bank, they will invest it and take the profit and still give you your capital back. Whether you are investing for retirement, for house, for financial freedom, investment is still best way to financial freedom. So as a beginner, maybe when you are trying to invest your money, maybe it's your first time, right? When you are trying to invest your money in one company or the other, there is something we call financial mistake, right? When you are trying to have a financial freedom, you can make a lot of financial mistakes. But don't let that put you down. Don't let it be the reason why you are not investing anymore, or why you stop investing, right? A lot of us make a lot of financial mistakes in our life. If you always go through my videos, I always tell you guys, don't worry about your mistakes. You make a lot of mistakes, whether in investing or in fact in life in total. You make a lot of mistakes when growing up, when trying new things, when trying to maybe you are trying to invest in this new type of business, or you are trying to start up new business, or you are trying to, in life in general, don't really mind your mistakes, because if it is mistake, you are going to do a lot of mistakes, right? You are going to do a lot of mistakes. You just learn from it. That's what I always say in my videos. You just learn from your mistakes. Like I said, always learn from your mistakes and invest wisely. Maybe you buy share from Amazon or Apple, know when to pull out, right? Don't be greedy. Once it comes to investing, don't be greedy. And when it comes to investing, some people will tell you don't put all your eggs in one basket. Some people will tell you put all your eggs in one basket, right? But let me tell you the truth, it's your choice to make. If you feel like you want to invest all in one company, if you feel okay, you can do it. If you still feel like you want to, invest in different type of company, it depends on how much you are putting in it, right? So you won't have like $10 and tell me you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket with $10. So it depends, one, how much capital you have, right? And depends on the company. But that doesn't mean you should not invest wisely, right? Always invest wisely and smart. Be smart. Once investment is involved, be smart. Don't be greedy when investing. So, but for me, I don't put all my eggs in one basket, right? But if I have $10 or $20 or maybe $100, I'll put all my eggs in one basket. I'm telling you the fact. But if I have like, let me say from $1,000 up, and I want to buy share from a company, I don't put all my $1,000 in one company, right? Because anything can happen. It can go up, it can come down, right? So it depends. So to sum it up, investing simply means putting your money in a place where it has the potential to grow over time by understanding the risk involved. And always have this in mind, this is not a financial advice. This is a very serious warning. Take your financial life seriously. Save money today so that money go save you tomorrow. If you go broke today, nobody go save you tomorrow. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. And don't forget, the sooner you start, the sooner your money starts working for you. Peace and love.